Hello. I'm here with you today to talk about our AI hosting solutions and how Huawei helps us to build it. We Hoster are Franco-Swiss cloud service providers specialized in providing complete or hybrid hosted solutions. For over 20 years now, we have witnessed several evolutions of hosting service in Europe. Since the beginning of the internet era, we are providing solutions throughout such periods like e-commerce, blogs, and all web contents. And after that, IaaS solution inside virtualization, from Zen to VMware's, and now Huawei DCS solution. Cloud services like PaaS and now SaaS. In 2019, we became certified HDS in France, data hosting providers for health data, to meet obligation from ensuring securities and organization for these highly sensitive data. Hoster is a small team that grows with talent along its history to remain at the forefront of its field, capable of providing necessary edge technologies while maintaining agilities, efficiencies, and innovation solutions. The figure of adoptions in AI technology worldwide shows that our profession must change once again. Certain concepts regarding our audit value must evolve, and we must be ahead of solutions to address the new challenges in the sectors. Rather than just being a solution integrator, we must first understand, dissect, and explain the reality of the technologies and anticipate the risk associated with it. We are fortunate to meet experts, users, and decision makers who are both enthusiastic and fearful of missing out. The number of projects is increasing. At our own levels, we can have one or two AI subjects. One or two AI subjects per week, ranging from very basic projects to much more complex ones. Here, we are a few client cases we are working on. In healthcare, mainly, we work on a consortium with partners to implement a platform for making specialized models available to offer AI services to practitioners. This includes diagnostic aids, medical imaging analysis, administrative assistance, and more. We also work on more traditional sectors such as marketing, customer support, content management, and much more. Those projects involving intelligent agents, either as chatbots or in-app process workflow using LLMs, computer visions, or predictive models. IaaS or PaaS solutions could be an answer on that, but we want to be able to respond with more innovative and simplified solutions. Also, one important aspect of the majority of our client requests in France is data governance. So we need to address this as well. The challenge was to manage resources effectively, provide basic and complex services, but in the clear and unified manners. Here is our vision. AI Flow is a platform that can be deployed in public, dedicated, or hybrid modes. It supports multi-services from pure AI services, and classic services, application modules, and any other containerizable services. It offers also multi-instances for scalability and resilience. And it supports multi-AI models. By executing AI models in one or many GPUs, it's being compatible with the market standards such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Additionally, we can also execute some other workloads like R in math analysis or Spark in data processing. How does AI Flow address a use case like we discussed earlier? Where I mentioned a case that we are addressing with our partners on specific need for digital patient records. French government had asked technological medical actors to work on proposals to offer powerful and functional AI tools to aid healthcare professionals daily. Our job was to provide a platform capable to address it. AI Flow emerged from these reflections, aiming to provide reliable, flexible, controlled, and high-performing platform to develop tools for such a project. Firstly, offering data scientists and research laboratory a complete machine learning services for their process and produce models using the ML Workbench module. Secondly, managing the publication of those models once they're produced. Important aspects are publication tools to catalog models and usages, code quality and security to guarantee the best trust levels for data, and model identification system to avoid model duplication and theft. This model then has offered as an application to healthcare professionals. We called it Inference App. Simple to use and executed only on the platform to always ensure the best level of confidentiality. Depending on each model usage, every right holders are remunerated. These architectures can be also duplicated and adjusted with features and additional removal necessary for all other use cases. Now, in other contexts, we have produced AI Flow open platform, usable by everyone with similar concept. We find ML Workbench and Inference App modules in a more open form, allow users to produce and execute their workloads simply, or use already published apps like chatbot system, AI engine, API endpoints, and more. Additionally, we have the AI SaaS modules, which like OpenAI or Mistral AI, the API ports of them, also allow our clients to benefit from shared AI resources to access widely used open LLMs models at a competitive cost. AI Flow Open Platform is a great sandbox for all emerging and advanced AI projects. Multi-tenancy capable and dedicated resources based on usage to respond to all user cases across all sectors. Here is a brief use case of open platform and how Inference App are used in the concrete application project. In example, the goal is to allow AI to facilitate administrative personnel's work in managing justification sent to validate application files for an estate company just here. The client wants to ensure that user-provided documents meet expectations and are coherent. Inference App is used in two modules there. One to address the computer vision models to read and analyze the document in less than 10 seconds. and another for an augmented conversational agent to perform complex search in the document base. Now, administrative personnel has 2 new tools in their own application to assist them and simplify recurring tasks, prevent errors, accelerate file processing. In this case, the client chooses to host only AI workloads inside AI Flow. But Inference app is designed to encapsulate much more. Indeed, Inference app can be used with GPUs, but also with CPUs. We wanted a reliable, scalable, and high-performance platform. So we built AI Flow on top of Kubernetes on Huawei DCS solution. Indeed, the ability to manage resources, build and implementation models as desired, be open to all containerization technologies, along with Huawei tools for managing VMs and storage, allows us to choose Kubernetes as the evident choices. Based on our expertise to maintaining and managing those platforms, we naturally adopt it. Today's matures and reliable compatibility with NVIDIA and AMD GPUs in the containers universe allows us to focus on resource servicing and optimization, rather than deploying management tools and many SDK. The massive usage on containerization sectors in AI, from development to production being reality, we significantly reduce future resource integration constraints by choosing this kind of technology. Now, let's discuss the core of the platform, focusing on machine learning with ML Workbench. The main challenges here are about resources and are ephemeral resources despite the financial implication given the current GPUs and costs. However, technical choices are quite limited for now. On data sides, it's a very different story. Like Mr. Myers said before, everyone knows that the data storage, processing, and growth are a real challenge here. After working with Huawei on our block storage solution and choose to continue our partnership with them on object storages, we have two types of needs: capacities and performance. I remember us here in 2023. We discovered the Pacific Range in IDI. And now, object storage services we have are based on this product line. 9922 for full flash and Rocky support for ensuring learning performance, multi-protocols, and multi-tenancies. And 9546 for provide identity for big data and all data lake services. Our two strengths in collaborating with Huawei lies on integrating Pacifics or Dorado into hosted services, offering the best on-demand storage technologies. With built-in multi-tenancies, crucial in healthcare, and proven reliability after years of usage, we have the ability to achieve great things on solid foundation. Telling about tomorrow, we have several use cases using RAG techniques with LLM to produce agents without retraining procedures. Currently, we use open source products that are functional, but not too much optimal for the large data sets. We aim to build a service in AI Flow to offer this at scale. For this purpose, we're considering the A800 product a significant part of the solution. Additionally, we wish to innovate a unique approach to data disclosure within these agents, working on an exciting project on this area. Oster always insists on innovation. By choosing Huawei storage, which also insists on innovation, make us really confident for the future. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for Huawei to have us here presenting our ideas and expertise. Merci.